Hola, buenas tardes, good afternoon. Today we will go to Alcazar and visit that Alcazar there in downtown. Alcazar is a royal palace. See?
Yes.
So, nosotros vamos para visitar el Alcazar en Sevilla. Nosotros vamos. So we are here now in the Alcazar. So I want to show you guys this place. But before that, let me share a short story or introduction about this place. Estamos ahora en el Alcazar. Por eso ahora quiero enseñaros chavales este sitio. Pero antes, dejadme compartir una pequeña historia sobre este sitio, this place. Alcazar is located here in the downtown of Seville. It's commonly known as the Royal Palace, which is surrounded by stone walls. It is made by stone, the wallings. Long time ago, the walls served as the protection for enemies and thieves as well. El Alcázar está en el casco antiguo de Sevilla comúnmente conocido como el Paseo Real, que está amurallado. Alcazar was started to be built way back in year 914 during the invasion of Muslim people. So means this is the residential fortress of the abbadid Muslim. En el Alcázar se empezó a construir cerca del año 914, so 914, durante la invasión de musulmanes abbasidis. And during the time of King almutamid, he expanded and renovated this Alcazar. So he made it very nice by building more luxury and luxury palace in the 11th century. En los tiempos del rey almutamid expandó y renovó este Alcázar, construyendo más palacios lujosos en el siglo XI. That's it, the story. So now let's go and I will let you go around the place of this one. So let's go. Come on, guys. Yan. We are here in the Hardin. Okay, we'll go and see. Ito, andito na tayo. Pumasok na tayo. Ayan, oh. Ito ang papasok pagka-entrance. Ayan. Real Alcazar Sevilla. Ito yung architectural plan niya. This. Daming tao. Makahiyang mag-film. Yan yung taas ng walls. Sa wakas, andito na tayo sa loob, sa kahaba-haba ng pila. Sige, tara na sa loob para tingnan natin kung... Ayan, dito na tayo. Ang lawak, oh. Ganda. Pero... ang makikita natin ay puro luma, mga antigo. Kasi noong 15 centuries pa ito.
Ayan, kahit anong posisyon lang gawin para makakuha ng magandang picture. Look at this. This wall is so obviously very old walls, but they just renovate it. Look, that all of this one is so great. Ang ganda ng kisame, oh. Antigo. This is what we call the Paseo del Yaso. It's Paseo del Yaso. Ito kapipintura lang o kare-renov. Ayan, they drink the water. Itong mga collection nilang fan. Oh, it's from Macau. From Macau. It's from Japan. Ayan, pasok dito tayo, madilim. Madilim, oh. Katakot baka may mumo. Hula. 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 Ayan, oh. Manawag. It's about Jesus Christ. Yan, kung paano napako si Cruz. Wow! Now we go and see the room of the king before. Ang ganda, oh. This is the scalera, itapi, staircase, and the tapestry. Oh, ano ito? It's closed. It's forbidden to enter in the room of the king. What is this? This is a city open to the world. Part of the river's history. Ano to? Baka may mumu dito. Hala, ang dilim. Anong meron dito? Hala, nakakatakot. Ano mga to? Arts. Mga art symbol. Mga arts, oh. Ay, Momo! These are the plates where what they use in old age. This is where they you wash the face. Used to eat. Ayan.
18th century was the clothing age.
Yes, in the 18th century. Mga dugyot sila, ano? Kasi nilalagay nila sa plato yung tubig tsaka nila ay hilamos. Pero that's it. What else they recorded here?
Lawrence de Arabia
Lawrence de Arabia, what is that?
is a film about Lawrence, P.A. Lawrence, the famous officer of the World War I.
Ayan, oh. Ang ganda, oh. So, this is the Jardín de las Damas, Ladies' Garden. So, I want to show you this place. In this place, you remember the Game of Thrones? The Game of Thrones, which is season 5. The season 5 when Jamie Lannister come and rescue her niece, but in reality he is her daughter. And this part, this garden where he came, where they did the filming, they filmed here the scene here.